Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at the Windcamp battery for the Yaesu FT-817 and 818. This arrived this morning from China and I'm just going to give you a first look at what you get. So, get out of the way. Rubbish. Instructions, etc. AC power plug. Let's see. And we get the battery door. So basically that replaces your original door on your 817 or 818. And then you get this, the battery itself, 3000 milliamp hour battery. One of the biggest problems with the battery that comes supplied with the Yaesu FT-817 is that it's only a 1400 milliamp hour battery, and charging it takes anywhere between 6 to 12 hours using the onboard charge system on the Yaesu. To be honest, when I first got it, I just left it in the box. I've never used it. About a year ago, I was watching a video on YouTube by a gentleman called Carl, 2E0 EZT, and he done a video while he was out portable with his Yaesu FT-817, and he had one of these, and he had a few comments as to what they were. And that's the first time that I had become kind of aware of this. So I ordered this on the 25th of December. And it's now the beginning of January. So it's not taken that long. I bought it through eBay. What this basically does, it just replaces the onboard battery and charge circuit of the Yaesu FT-817 or 818. And it replaces it. First off, you get this charge hatch, which you replace. You connect in your battery and then you put this in place and you can charge the battery from here. Now the beauty of it is that it only takes 2 to 3 hours to charge the battery, and the battery that you get is much larger than the stock battery. And it is a 3000 milliamp hour battery. Without further ado, I'm going to get myself a screwdriver and I will bring you back and we'll install it, and I'll show you it installed and working. So this is my Yaesu FT-817 ND. Bought it brand new just over a year ago now from Martin Lynch & Son, and I've thoroughly enjoyed using this. In fact, it is my favourite radio that I have at the moment. So to install the Windcamp, we simply take the battery cover off, like so. So then what we do, once the hatch is off, we take the power wire, which you connect up the stock battery to, and we take the charge hatch and we simply connect these two together like that, and then we connect the battery to the other end. So carefully taking the charge hatch, you take your Windcamp battery and you simply connect it to this side here, like so. And then we try and attempt to fit it all inside the back of the Yaesu. So we'll tuck this up under here. And then the battery. And then the hatch. Basically what you do when you put the battery in, make sure the battery is all the way to the left, so you have a small bit of space on the right hand side to take the charge circuit down in the space. And tucked all the wires in underneath here. That's all I did. So now all we do, once that's done, is replace the screw. And there we have it. So now that's done, and it's quite a nice job too. It actually kind of almost matches. It's a little bit wonky here and there, but you know, it is what it is. So what we do now is, when you want to charge it, it's fairly self-explanatory. Charge it from there, power off, let it do its thing. 2 to 3 hours and it will be fully charged. And when you want to use it, switch it on. And then, let's see. And there we have it. Now, like I said in a previous video, if you have 11.4 volts, 11.5, sorry, or lower, you'll have that flashing icon, which means that you're running at 5 watts full power, but your time may be limited. But I am now going to go and give this a charge, and I will take it out a little bit later on and give it a go. So there we have it. That has been the, I suppose, little unboxing and install of the Windcamp battery. Now, it's a worthwhile investment. It's well worth investing in if you are going to go and do some portable work, because you know the downside to the 817 and possibly 818 is that the standard battery that comes with it is not that great, and it does take forever to charge, whereas this gives you a much larger capacity battery and it only takes 2 to 3 hours to charge fully. So if this video has been of some help to you, then you know, please do consider giving it a like down below. Alternatively, we've got the thumbs down as well. I don't mind either. At the end of the day, it meant you clicked on my video, you gave me the view, so every cloud and all that. I'm going to end the video there. Thank you all for watching, and I will wish you all the best 7-3, and I'll catch you in the next video. Goodbye for now.